It is mid-August 2024, and we are at the northern part of our food forest. We aim to plant this piece of land to cover it. And we had a difficult summer, 40-degree temperatures Celsius for 2 or 3 weeks in a row. We don't water our plants. This is 2 years old plum trees. This is a 2-year-old oak tree. We simply put seeds in the ground. We offer the land seeds, and the land will choose what it wants to grow. Or we put bare root trees, very young bare root trees, and we also let them go. The land is going to choose. These are Gleditsia, either grown by seed or transplanted. Most likely it's grown by seed because there's many of them. We see that they're dropping their leaves, trying to survive. Many trees did not survive or have lost all their leaves altogether and may resprout. It's a miracle that anything survives without watering in this environment. This is rock rose. Some of it grows native here. We also spread seeds. We like this plant. This is an apple tree which we transplanted. I would not be expecting an apple tree to survive here without watering, but it does. And this is a pomegranate tree which was transplanted. We see here, this is, I think, looks like a Calateria tree. There may be some life left to it, but many of the trees are like this that we see here. And again, this is the northern part. Come October or November, we're going to know what survived, what hasn't. And this is an apple tree, again transplanted. I don't know if it's going to make it through the summer because we still have August going into September. There's another tree that did not make it. This is an apple tree. It may be alive. There's a trace of green on the leaves. This is another Gleditsia tree. All the leaves are dropped. And again, we don't know. We're hoping for the best, but we don't know. This is a rock rose. Another Gleditsia tree that has turned yellow. That's what we have. All in all, I would say I'm pleased to see with this weather we're having. I'm pleased to see that some of the trees survived. We see an oak tree that has not survived here or made resprouts. That's what we have. Given time, I think we can turn this into an edible forest. We want to do what Wangari Maatai said, and provide a green cover for the earth. She said the earth is a lady that likes to be covered in green. That's what we want to do. We're going to learn a lot from this place here.